Yo, I welcome you all to my new vlog, and for your surprise, I am here after right 5 to 6 days of gap cause there were festivals in between, and moreover, I was not in a plan to study cause of the festivals and cause of the mithai and the celebrations and all. And today is you can say Chhat Puja beginning. मतलब कि आज से छठ पूजा शुरू हो गई हैगी, तो मतलब तुमको जो बैकग्राउंड में यू कैन लिसन दी छठ सॉन्ग्स कोज you can say after three states the Bihari sleep, so they are just listening the songs in a high volume and nobody is there to you can say scold them for being listening these songs in such a high volume. And so let's leave that all. I am here after 4 to 5 days, and in between I had completed all the chapters of my history book, all the chapters of my political science book, all the chapters of my English book. So we are only left with two books, our physical education and psychology, and that books we are going to you can see complete at any time because they are quite easy. And I just wanted to show you the time means it's 10 a.m. of the morning, and I start every day the vlog so late cause I have to just clean the room, and moreover I also have to bring the things which my mother asks me to bring from the market. So these are the only reasons that I start every like so late. And moreover the my holidays are still left means you can say I have to go to school on 29th, and you can say I am not going to go on school on 29th also cause there is a match of you can see our athletic meet on 29th in JLN Stadium. So on 29th we are going to our JLN Stadium, and it's going to be the first look of our stadium means the our stadium is already. And for your surprise, the last day a message had came from our coach to gather around the stadium at 4:30 p.m. to protest against their oppressive rules cause their stadium is ready but the staff is not opening it for the children for their practice. So we are just going to protest. And moreover I have not got any notification of about the protest right now, and it's being in at 12 p.m. the 24 hours of the notifications will be done. So let's see what happens next. And I am practicing in my neighborhood on the रोड। सो तुम लोग कह सकते हो कि अगर नया बना हुआ स्टेडियम जो है नहीं खुलता हैगा तो हम सारे के सारे बच्चे जो है रोड पे आ जाएंगे भाई, क्योंकि और कोई जगह नहीं है बच रही प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए। और जहाँ तक लोधी गार्डन का सवाल है तो वहाँ पे भाई कोई आता ही नहीं, मतलब एक दो बच्चे रहते होंगे। अब उनके साथ जो है इतनी दूर यहाँ से कम भाई मेरे घर से लगते होंगे कुछ 150-200 रुपये, तो इतनी दूर जाके प्रैक्टिस करने का कोई मतलब है नहीं, वो भी इतने पैसे खर्च करके जब कुछ वहाँ पे हो नहीं रहा। तो मैं जब बीच में बस चला जाता हूँ मुँह दिखाई के लिए। और बाकी तुम लोग देखो हम लोग यहाँ पे हैंगे अभी अपनी एनडीए का पढ़ने के लिए। और टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अनदर चैप्टर फ्रॉम आवर एनडीए सिलेबस मीन्स यू कैन से सीक्वेंस एंड सीरीज और परमुटेशन एंड कॉम्बिनेशन। सो आज जो हैगा उस चैप्टर को देखते हैं कि 3 से 3.5 घंटे का हो जाए मेरा टाइम, तो यही हैगा भाई। Okay, so I am right at my table and we had talked a lot today. So we are just going to start our you can say sequence and series, and I am going to complete at least 3.5 hours video today. And after that I'll be practicing our synonym and antonyms, and after that our you can say 12th board syllabus. So that's the plan for today, and it's 10:15. So let's start now.
प्रोडक्ट कर दो तो वो 5 फैक्टोरियल की वैल्यू आ जाएगी। अगर मैंने कहा 7 फैक्टोरियल तो 7 फैक्टोरियल का मतलब हो गया प्रोडक्ट ऑफ फर्स्ट 7 नेचुरल नंबर। तो जब आप पहले 7 नेचुरल नंबर की प्रोडक्ट कर देंगे तो वो आपके पास जो है 7 फैक्टोरियल की वैल्यू आ जाएगी। उम्मीद करता हूं ये
Okay, so it's 2:30 of afternoon, and at this time I am right at my table, and I have done a video of 2.5 hours of our permutation and combinations, and more you can see I have you can say done one chapter of my history, the chapter colonialism and the countryside, and practiced a few questions of our probability chapter. And next I am going to do the word meanings from our synonym antonym book. And I had done my lunch earlier, and today we had you can see ate Maggie with roti, so it's my favorite dish for our afternoon lunch. So let's do not waste any further time cause I have already wasted 20 minutes. So let's start now for our further video. Okay, so guys, just now I realized that I am continuously using the mobile phone since 10:20, or you can say round out 10:30, and now it's currently 3. So we are just using the mobile since, means just look at the watch. So 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30, 4 hour, 5 hour. So we are just continuously using the mobile since 4 hours. So I am just thinking to end up the vlog right here, and moreover I have completed permutation combination probability, and after this, after getting off from my bench, I will be doing the word meanings, and after that some part of my board exam. So I am just ending the vlog right here cause I will be not using the mobile after this last video which I am recording, cause my eyes are just you can say got tired. My eyes are just got tired, so I just want some rest. Actually I don't want rest, but my eyes need it, so I am just closing the mobile right here. And if you guys are also studying from the mobile, so do let your eyes take some break, or else you will lose them quite early. So I was just telling you this, and right now I am just ending the vlog right here. So thank you so much for watching. I'll be practicing board questions for my boards after this video. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you guys enjoyed it, kindly do a like and a subscribe, and also do a good comment so that it increases my motivation. Bye bye.